Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Situr Aziza. Here I will discuss the steps of curriculum development, analysis and diagnosis of needs in curriculum development. The first steps in curriculum development is to analyze and diagnose needs. There are three things that can be learned, namely student needs, demands of the world of work or society, and education policy in the form of expectation from the government. The result of the diagnosis of the three aspects are then arranged into a series of needs as input for the development of the objectives of the approach. To analyze these needs can be implemented through three approaches, namely needs survey, competency studies, and text analysis. A needs survey is a relatively simple way of analyzing needs. Formulation of curriculum objectives. The next steps after obtaining the result of the diagnosis of needs is to formulate goals. The content of the curriculum objective hierarchically ranging from general goals to more specialized and operational goals. Curriculum objectives include national education goals, institutional objectives, curricular objectives, general and specific instructional objectives. The objectives component can also be divided into several taxonomies. Benjamin S. Bloom divides the destination into three domains, namely cognitive, with regard to the mastery of intellectual abilities or thinking, affective, with regard to the mastery of the development of feelings, attitudes, interests, and values, and last, psychomotor, with regard to the mastery and development of motor skills. Selection and organization of material. M. G. Gall 1981, 18-25 in the Handbook for Evaluation and Selecting Curriculum Materials suggests 9 steps in developing curriculum materials. Identification of needs, curriculum mission, cost budget, forming a team, arrangement of material, analyzing material, assessing materials, 9. Spreading, use, and monitoring. Curriculum materials is everything that is given to students in teaching and learning activities. Criteria that can be considered in the selection of curriculum materials include 1. Curriculum materials should be selected based on the objectives. 2. Selected curriculum material is considered valuable as a cultural heritage salage. 3. Selected material is useful for the mastery of a discipline. 4. The materials take is considered useful for the life of mankind for the provision of life in the present and future. 5. The material is cushioned because by with the needs and interests of students. Sequence preparation needs to be considered some of the following. 1. The level of difficulty of the subject matter or curriculum content. 2. Appreciative past experience. 3. maturity and development of learners, 5. Interests and needs of students. Selection and organization of learning experience. In this step or stage, the curriculum is to develop and determine with various approaches, strategies, and methods or techniques that are in accordance with the learning objective and characteristics of the material that has been set. Evaluation development. In this evaluation step, the curriculum developed an evaluation tool to measure the achievement of objectives and other components of the curriculum. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.